To this now, the Supreme Court of Appeal has reserved judgment in former Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane's application. She's challenging a ruling by the Western Cape High Court that upheld a decision by members of Parliament Richard Dyantyi and Kevin Mileham not to recuse themselves from the Section 194 committee, which inquired into Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office. Juniour Khumalo was in court for us and filed this report.
Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane is not going down without a fight. On Wednesday, she took her fight to the Supreme Court of Appeal. She's asked the court to set aside the Western Cape High Court's decision to uphold Richard Dyantyi and Kevin Mileham's refusal to recuse themselves from the Section 194 committee. It investigated and found her unfit to hold the office of Public Protector. She faced several hurdles in court. Among them, the justices want to know in which capacity she brought this latest application. When Mkhwebane first approached the Western Cape High Court in 2023, she was still the Public Protector, although suspended. The court eventually granted the Public Protector leave to appeal its judgment. Yet, the incumbent, Advocate Kolega Kalega, says she doesn't want to appeal.
The Public Protector says we did not authorize these attorneys to prosecute this appeal, to note an appeal or prosecute.
Yeah, well, leave was granted in my name, but I have no intention of prosecuting the appeal.
In light of this, Mpofu was at pains to explain that, in accordance with Rule 15 of the Uniform Rules of Court, his client had asked for a change of status and that she was now applying to prosecute the matter in her personal capacity.
She was previously here in her official, in a personal capacity, but as the Public Protector. All right? She's now here before you as Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane.
With the capacity issue clarified, Mpofu went on to detail how his client had been prejudiced by Dyantyi and Mileham's refusal to recuse themselves from the Section 194 committee.
Advocate Mkhwebane says, I have suffered multiple violations of my constitutional rights at the hands of these respondents. As a result of that, I had to go through an illegal process. I can't find a polite way of putting it. I had to go through an illegal process. Illegal, I think, is better. An illegal process which violated my Audi rules, which violated Nemo Udex, which violated everything under the sun.
After several hours of arguments, the court reserved judgment.
Judgment is reserved, court will adjourn.
Despite judgment being reserved, Mpofu indicated that if the court doesn't find in their favor, his client is willing to fight the matter all the way to the Constitutional Court. It's unclear at this stage when the court will hand down its findings. For Newzroom Afrika on channel 405, I'm Juniour Khumalo at the Supreme Court of Appeal.